In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use bundles in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know how to set them up properly and start using them on your invoices, quotes, and sales receipts to save time and stay consistent. First, before you even think about creating a bundle, you need to make sure that every individual product or service you want to include is already set up in your QuickBooks Online account. A bundle is really just a group of existing items packaged together. So if you sell something like a setup package or a kit, each part of that package needs to exist as its own product or service. Take a moment to double-check your products and services list and add anything that's missing. This will make the bundle creation process much smoother. Once that's ready, it's time to create the bundle itself. Start by clicking the gear icon in the toolbar at the top of QuickBooks Online. Under the Lists column, click on Products and Services. This will open the full list of everything you sell. In the top right corner, click the New button. From the options that appear, select Bundle. This tells QuickBooks that you're creating a grouped item instead of a single product or service. Now give your bundle a clear, descriptive name. Make it something that you and your team will recognize easily when adding it to a sales form. After naming it, select the products and services you want to include from the drop-down list and set the quantity for each one. For example, if your bundle always includes 2 hours of service and 1 physical item, make sure those quantities are accurate here. You'll also see an option to control how the bundle appears to your customers. If you want them to see every individual component on invoices or receipts, check the box that says, Display bundle items when printing or sending transactions. If you leave it unchecked, they'll just see the bundle as a single line. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. Now you can start using your bundle on sales forms. When you create an invoice, quote, or sales receipt, go to the Products and Services section just like you normally would. Instead of adding each item one by one, choose the bundle you created from the dropdown. QuickBooks will pull in all the items and quantities you defined, and the bundle will appear as a single line, unless you chose to display the components. You can still add other individual items, services, or discounts on the same form, giving you flexibility while keeping your main packages consistent and efficient.